guys and welcome back to my channel, A Mom with a Camera. Hi, my name is Akila R. Unitan. I post a video every Wednesday at 4 PM without fail. So please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. As the title suggests, you guys know what I'm going to do today, and a lot of you guys have asked me on Instagram asking what is the secret of my beautiful long hair. It is nothing but homemade oil, and I have not used any other oil. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it with the help of my mom. So she's always been making this oil, and she is either parceling it to wherever I stay. So this time I'm also going to learn how to make this oil, and I shall show you guys how we do it. So this is my mom out here. Say hi, mommy. Hi. Okay, so a small introduction. So she's a teacher, and she teaches in Sushikra High School, my school, and that's where even I studied and my brother studied. So she's a teacher out there. She even teaches students who have dyslexic problems. So she's a special educator as well. So she teaches people who have problems in studying, right? Yeah. So yeah, she teaches in Sushikra High School, and yeah, that's a small introduction, and she's my mom too. So yeah, let me get on to show you guys how we prepare the oil. These are the ingredients which you need to use for making the oil. This is coconut oil, 500 grams of pure coconut oil. This is Nellica or gooseberries, the big ones. This is pepper, this is camphor, this is curry patta, this is bringrajam leaves, which you, even Indulekha and all of them use these kind of leaves. This is small onions, this is aloe vera. We didn't get one particular leaf called amari leaf, which is also added, but we searched everywhere but we couldn't. So this is enough to make the oil. So usually if you're in Kerala, since we have a lot of coconuts there, we use the pure coconut oil. We will only extract it and use it. Since we are right here in Bangalore, we are using KLF coconut oil. So let me get on to the video. What we're doing now is we are cutting the gooseberries into small pieces so that we can grind them. So I'm just watching, guys, and I am watching my mom do all the work. So you are going to give credits to my mom. Okay? So who taught you how to make this oil? My mother. It is passing on to the generations. Huh? I'll have to teach Nila how to make this oil. But it's okay. She will refer this video. Okay. So we are done grinding, guys. And I thought my mummy is grinding when I'm talking. So we have grinded the Nellica, the gooseberries, and we are going to put that onto this bathroom here, and we are going to start preparing the oil. Aloe vera. So we have to take the aloe vera next. You can grind it now. Okay, so we have to grind.
Grinding also no problem. We can cut it pieces and we can put it in there.
Okay, so we have to take the aloe vera. You can cut it into small pieces. That is the aloe vera which is grinding, guys. You can even put it into small pieces and put it along with the gooseberry which is grinded. But we prefer putting it as a juice, so it makes it much simpler. So we have not put the stove on, guys. So we have just grinded it and we are putting everything together. So next what we are taking,
Small onion.
And the leaf, right?
Kaidoni.
Kaidoni leaf.
If it is amari is available, you can put amari also.
Okay, so if amari is available, you can put amari as well. Are we going to put the curry patta also?
Curry patta also.
So we're going to put the curry patta also. So what I will...
And separate also, you can grind and keep it no problem.
Okay. So when we're grinding, we're not adding any water. We are just grinding it. So make sure you cut it into small pieces and then grind it so that the mixer doesn't get spoiled. So those are the leaves and the onion, guys. And we have still not put the flame. And this is how it looks right now. What we are adding 500 grams of coconut oil into this patram. So we are just mixing everything again without the flame on. Switching it on. So this is going to take at least half an hour, guys. So this is a long process to make the oil. So we have to keep doing this for half an hour. Not necessarily we have to keep stirring it.
Medium flame, you have to put it.
Okay, so put it in the medium flame and we have to keep it on for at least half an hour. That is our...
it should boil and turn into brown color.
Okay.
ഇതിന് പറയുന്ന കൽക്കം എന്ന് പറയും. ഇതെല്ലാം ബ്രൗൺ ബ്ലാക്കിഷ് ബ്രൗൺ കളർ ആകുമ്പോൾ you have to all these bubbles will settle. That time is we have to put the pepper. Then it will splatter. Then for the smell we will put 2 or 3 pieces of camphor in this.
Okay. Okay. These bubbles should settle down. So until then we have to keep it on. So once the bubble settles, it's going to turn brown, and that's when we know we are done preparing. As in, around 80% or it will be done. Who's woken up? Good morning. So I'm shooting this video early in the morning, and look who woke up and came. Hi, Kunya.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Are you sleepy? Sleepy now. Oh. As soon as she wakes up, the first thing she does is come and pray here. Oh, Paru. Ambuti torido. Ah, good girl. So this is after around 10 to 15 minutes. This is the status of it. The bubbles have not yet settled down, so we have to keep on going. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. I think we're almost done, guys. There's hardly any bubbles. So what we're going to do next is add pepper. So we added pepper. Once it starts spluttering,
correct time.
we will know that the oil is ready. So that's why we add few peppers. Pepper spluttered, and now we are adding camphor for the smell.
2 or 3 pieces.
Yeah. So now there is no bubbles at all. We have switched off the gas, and I think we are done. What is the next step, Amma?
We have to filter this.
Now it's time for filtering. Should it cool down and then filter?
Yeah, cool down and filter.
Okay, so we cool down, let this oil cool down, and then we filter it. So the oil has cooled down, and now we are going to filter it. So we have taken a torta, so the filtering will be really good. So I am done. We are done making the oil. So you get a jar full of oil and it will stay for long. Please make sure you put in a glass container and seal it tight. And yes, this is the oil which I've been using, and you can see the result. And Mummy has also been using this only for a very long time. Hello. So you guys also try it out, and do let me know in the comment section if you really like this video, and do let me know if you want me to do more such videos, and I shall definitely do it. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.